loading up Uber black.
Hey guys, welcome to Showlane Nomad. I have been to the service center today to unlock the other two modes, the sport and the track mode. I hope it focuses. Alright, this is how it looks now. The unlocked modes are sport and track. So there you go, this is the sport mode and this is the track mode. On these two modes you get the complete bhp, that is 34 bhp, and yes, a hell lot of power. So I'll try and update the ECU in a few days so that I can get more performance out of this bike. Alright, let's move on to where the technician or the mechanic unlocked the other two modes, how he did it. It just took 15 seconds for him to unlock it. So that's about it. I'll play in that video and you guys can see how it was done, and I'll meet you in the next video. See ya, bye bye.
Once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. 'Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. 'Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame.